Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, O mankind, surely we created you from one male and one female. And who is the one male and one female? The Adam and his wife, the Hawa, or the Eve. And then we made you in the nations and tribes, divisions, so you can know each other. So everybody has a different race or different identity, different tribes. For example, if someone has name Abdullah, then who is this Abdullah? Maybe it's Abdullah Chinese, maybe it's Abdullah American, maybe it's Abdullah European, or maybe it's Abdullah Indian, or maybe it's Abdullah from Marana or Tausuk or Maguindanao. Identity, just for identity, there is no other value. So these are only for identification. No one can say my race is superior. It is shirk, because Allah make all human equal. No one can say I speak that language or I belong to that tribe. Some people, they're trying to say I have a royal blood. Why you have a royal blood? If you check your blood, it's same. It's a red blood. All the blood have same identity. All the people are the same human being with two eyes and one nose and one mouth. So there is no such thing that some races are superior or some language people are different or some skin color are different. No. You cannot be get superiority with your skin color. You cannot be get superiority with your language or your tribe or your nation. No. Allah said, Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Surely the most honorable with Allah is those who are most fearing Allah. Sino yung mataas kay Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Sino yung mas takot kay Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Hindi sa yung tribo or langwahe or origin, wala. No importance. Importante yung takot sa Allah. And that can make you superior to Allah or inferior to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But you cannot judge yourself. You cannot say, I am the religious. Ako yung pinaka-religious. No, bawal. Ako yung mas mataas sa isang tao. Bawal sa Islam. Yan ang sinabi ng Satanas kay Allah. Si Adam mababa, ako mataas. Kaya maging disbeliever si Satanas or the Shaitan. Hindi pwede sabihin I am superior, ako mataas, mayabang. This person hindi pwede pasok sa pareso. A person with arrogance, he want to be super or a high level, he cannot go to paradise. Bawal sa kanya pareso. The Prophet said he cannot even smell the paradise. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Lahat ng tao, isang tatay, isang nanay. Adam at Hawa, the Eve. So kung lahat ng tao, isang tatay, isang nanay, ano yung nangyari sa lahat ng tao? Lahat ng tao magkapatid. If all the human beings are the children of Adam and Hawa, the one father and one mother, it means to say all the human beings are brothers and sisters in humanity. So how a brother can say to another brother, I am superior because my race is superior? No. We have only one human race. What is our race? Anong lahi natin? Tao. Isang lahi lang. Tao. Lahat tayo tao.